The last video we're doing today is going to be on this beautiful 1957 Chevy Bel Air. You won't see too many 50s cars on our lot, but when you come across something like this Tri-5 Chevy, you just gotta buy it. Condition's excellent, and we'll prove that to you as we go around, but I like this one a lot. Makes me want to have a whole showroom full of 57 Chevys.
Or 50s cars, period, if they all look this nice,
yeah.
Right? Let's go ahead before I open the hood and just get a good view here of the gorgeous front bumper, the bumper guard, the grille. I mean, it's a show quality car from bumper to bumper, laser straight, wide whites, absolutely gorgeous. And the paint is beautiful, especially when you have all that nice chrome.
Yeah, and all the chrome end bright work looks brand new.
They did a great job under the hood as well. Look at the detail on the paint job on the bottom side of the hood. Firewall.
Even down to the tag on the radiator.
And it's super clean.
Heater box looks great. You got your factory cowl tag there.
Engine's quiet as a church mouse.
It is, runs like a top. New hinges.
Yeah, even in here. Just a nice restoration all the way throughout.
Call this a comprehensive restoration.
What's that mean?
Means kind of nothing is untouched. Comprehensive. Full.
Comprehensive means
we're learning all kinds of big words today. Comprehensive, overzealous, I talked about.
Overzealous. I still don't know if you use that
don't
word.
know what that,
I don't know if you use that word in the right...
I'm pretty confident I did not, but...
Okay. If we're gonna pick anything apart, we gotta get so close. We got tiny little chip there. Two little chips on that hood. But really nice gap throughout. Just gorgeous. Back of the hood lines up beautiful as well. If you're looking for a red 57 Chevy and you don't mind a red and black interior like this one, then I'll tell you what, I think this will...
Hey, this is cool. I never noticed this before on the mesh or on the top of the headlight. Yeah. Never noticed that
You never
before.
noticed that?
That's cool.
Well, we don't get many 50s in anymore. The gap is perfect on that front fender. It's getting to be towards the end of the day where our shadow's kind of in the way, so back of the door lines up beautiful. Back bumper is perfect. Chrome around the back is excellent. Fender skirts are beautiful and they line up so nice with all new rubbers on them as well. Look at the sides of this 57. Those quarters are huge, and when they're restored or repainted, they're so hard to get laser straight, and this one is. How about that back bumper and tail lights, tail light lenses? All the back chrome is perfect. Look at that. Man. I'll let you open that. I'll go into the interior, D. All the stainless and chrome on the top of here is excellent as well. I mean, this was not a piece of shit redone either.
No.
Well, I'm so glad you opened that up.
Yeah, it's beautiful in the trunk.
To look at. Bottom of the hood. Your quarters are nice. Trunk mat's beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and put that in there. It's got the correct spare and jack and all that. Rubbers are new. Corner of the door is excellent. Door panels. And they did such a nice job on the interior. Like I said, show car. Chrome on the inside's beautiful. Headliner, dome light works. Headliner's in great shape. Seats are excellent. Door panels. Paint on the dash is gorgeous. What a nice 57 Chevy. You can go ahead and roll those windows up, B. Of course, your 57 Chevy to put your gas in is hidden in here. It's really cool. Imagine how many people bought a 57 Chevy back in the day, and their first time to the gas station, they're freaking trying to figure out where it was supposed to go.
Imagine how many people do the same thing nowadays.
Of course, you know what? No, they didn't, because they had a gas station attendant.
Yeah.
And the gas station attendant did it. They didn't figure out where, you know.
That's such a neat design,
Isn't
too.
that cool?
And it's
you know, in 56, they had it inside the back taillight.
That's awesome.
Yeah. So then they went to that in 57. The bottom of the door lines up perfect. I know we've had a couple calls on this already in the first 2 days, so this video will really make this easy a decision for some of these people.
Yeah.
The glass is in excellent shape. What's this? Do you remember what that is?
I think it's a stoplight deal. So like if you're kind of sitting close under the stoplight, that's what those are, I'm pretty sure.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Where'd you get that information?
From a 58 Impala we had a long time ago.
Oh, okay. Good memory.
I'll probably get corrected in the comments, but I'm pretty confident that that's what it
Good.
is. It's for stoplights.
Gap is awesome. The front fender and the back of the hood's awesome. I love these too. You know what I mean? It just kind of protects your knuckles from scratching. Look, take your ring from scratching.
That's nice.
Paint.
So much thought went into the design of these cars, from the gas tank to the different options you can get. And with these 50s cars, Jim Valgrino, inspector was telling me, there's so many different things you could get with these, obviously cruise control, and there's some other just crazy options that I shouldn't have brought up because I don't remember what they were. But
beautiful paint on here, all new rubbers and stuff. Did a great job there. Again, the seat's awesome. Let's drive it.
I remembered what the other option you could get on, add on the dealership was. They had they called it like a seeing eye, and it'd go on your dash and it'd automatically dim your headlights for you.
You sure that's not what that is? Seeing eye?
I don't think that's the seeing eye.
It says guide on it. What that means.
Yeah, I think that's for.
It could be something at a stoplight.
Because then when you pull under the stoplights, that would kind of illuminate. Like you can't see them.
Really?
That's what I think. Now I got to go inside and do some Googling. Spoke too soon, but.
Man, it's nice and warm in here.
Window might need a little adjustment.
No, it's not that. It's just that it needs to be pushed in a little bit.
Oh,
the door
gotcha.
panel, you know what I mean? You got to push in a little.
I like the little tissue box they added too.
I know, that's pretty cool. That was an option, actually.
It was, yeah.
I'm going to shut it off a minute. Yeah, it works. I thought it did. You just can't hear it over the engine. Heater fan. There's your heat. Man, oh man.
The other thing I love about these is you can start them without the key too.
Yeah. But you can lock it so you can.
Yeah, correct.
There's your wipers, and look how fast they are. Must be electric. Gotta be electric, don't they?
Yeah, there's no way they're vacuum.
And they park good too.
Turned
on, didn't it?
Mm-hmm.
I think it works, but we'll leave it on. Sometimes it takes a long time for them to warm up. We'll leave it on. The heater's working great. I feel that already.
Glove box is really nice.
Very nice. Off the dome. Yep. That works. Here's the thing, and sometimes even us, we get kind of buffaloed. This is a show car. But when I came in, our driver said, man, we already paid for it. You know what I mean? It's one of those deals. Yeah. But our driver said we went to get it, man, the tranny's slipping. And you got it. And I said, well, we already bought it. Bring it back here and we'll check the fluid. Well, we checked fluid and it was full and it's still slipping. So we're going to pull the tranny after this video, go ahead and send it to AMCO Transmissions and get checking, get it checked out and get it fixed.
So we have an appointment for the transmission, but we still want to be able to show you this car and that way you can...
As soon as we pull it and send it there, no sense letting it sit there and wait for 3 weeks. So
exactly.
It gets worked on. You might as well leave it in the car and be able to at least move it and drive
So
it.
if you buy this thing, you're going to have a freshly rebuilt transmission.
Yep. Temperature gauge works, gas gauge works as well. It's got 621 miles on the odometer. Horn works. You can see there's that little slip when it goes to second. And I'm guessing that's, sometimes there can be an adjustment issue with it too, but I'm just going to go ahead and not mess with it and take it right to AMCO. Brakes are perfect. We did get it in and checked all those out, just like every car. Speedometer's clicking just a little bit right there. Idle's great, don't it? Runs really nice.
Yeah, when we were up front listening to that engine, it runs like a top.
Yeah, it does.
You could set a glass of water on top of it.
Oh yeah, look at this. This is glue alongside. Okay, this is the original Powerglide instructions.
Cool.
Car will start in neutral. Does it say anything about slipping? Is there something easy? Is there something easy to figure out? Ooh, low is used only for pulling through deep sand or snow. Climbing and descending steep hills.
That's cool.
That's what low's for. Never shift from neutral to reverse. That would be bad. You're not open throttle on a shift from neutral to to drive, whatever. Okay.
But
Doesn't say anything about helping us figure out the slip.
doesn't. Nothing about slippage. Headliner's beautiful. This car,
All the paint around the inside trim's awesome too, isn't it?
it made me fall in love with them Tri-5 Chevys again. There was a while there where we just haven't had any, so, you know, it wasn't...
For a hard top, listen to how quiet it is.
Yeah.
Isn't that crazy? We're doing 60 mile an hour right now. 65,
Engine.
70. Brady's probably thinking we got lost, but this was driving so good, I thought we'd go a little further.
Yeah. You got the heat on? It feels like it is on my feet. I can feel it's warm.
Look at these
It's
brakes.
working.
Check that out.
Perfect.
It's a great car. I mean, just absolutely awesome.
Yeah. It really does drive fantastic.
It drives awesome. I think what it's going to drive like we get that shift right.
Yeah. Yeah. Beautiful 57.
I know it sat for like 5 to 10 years too, so it might just come out of it. We just need to get that. Probably just take the valve body off and check.
Yeah.
It out. Just got a sloppy shift right there. You know what I mean?
Yep.
For first and second. Oh yeah, that heater's working awesome, ain't it?
I like this one a lot.
I'd drive this one all the way to New York.
Hell yeah.
New York City.
Yep, the big city, the Big Apple. All right, this thing's fun. Check it out on the site, coyoteclassics.com. I'll put a link down in the comment section if you're watching on YouTube. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you never miss another one of our cars. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.